how to move items on your stream page. Each class will have its title over here on the left-hand side. Then in the center of the page you have stream, classwork, people, and grades. So we're going to go to stream first. On my page I have listed first the FCCLA promo, but I want to have the second item listed first. To change that, I go down to the item I want to move, and it says course of study, which I want first. Then I'm going to move to the right hand side here and click on the three dots. When I click on the three dots, I have three choices. I can move it to the top, I can edit that page, or I can copy the link to send it to students. I want to move it to the top. So I'm going to do that. It will automatically be moved to the top because this is the first thing I want to cover in my class with my students. Second item, so it allows me to move the students through to the place I want them to be on their stream, so everybody has that first. Okay, the assignment and then it has, on my assignment, it has my course of study, it has what I want the description of what I want them to do. So I'm going to probably show to the class the YouTube video. Then I'm going to click on the Google Docs so I can go over that, what we will be doing in this class. And then I'm going to ask the kids to post any questions that they have concerning the class in the comment section.